Hi, I'm Grant from Blackmagic Design, and today I'd love to show you the new DeckLink Duo 2. DeckLink Duo 2 solves the problem of developers who want to design multi-channel HD systems with one simple card. This new model also handles 3G SDI, so it supports high HD frame rates up to 1080p 60 on each channel, all at the same time. DeckLink Duo 2 does this because while the old model was 2 channels, this new model is actually 4 complete separate channels in the one card. These 2 extra channels are normally hidden, but they can be turned on when needed by the software developer or in the DeckLink control panel. So normally you would have 2 capture and playback channels with each channel having 1 SDI input and 1 SDI output. But now you can take one of the capture and playback channel B and C connectors and assign it to the 3rd or 4th channels. Both channels can do this. So what this means is you can take all 4 B and C connectors and attach them to completely separate channels and either capture or play back through them. If the software goes into capture mode, then the B and C connector will become an input. And if it goes into playback, then the same B and C connector becomes an SDI output. This gives you a card that now can become 4 capture channels, or 4 playback channels, or 1 capture and 3 playback channels, or 2 capture and 2 playback. You can do any combinations of inputs and outputs you like. You can build custom systems, and then do whatever configuration you need, all with a one model card. If you just want the card to operate like the previous model of DeckLink Duo, then all you need to do is leave it operating as it powers up. Then the card will work the same as the older DeckLink Duo model, and the 2 channels will use 1 B and C connector for playback and 1 for capture. Also, you might have noticed that the card actually has 5 B and C connectors, and that's because the 5th connector is the reference input. DeckLink Duo 2 is very easy to install, as it's a simple PCI Express plug-in card, and so it plugs into Windows and Linux computers. It uses the same Blackmagic Design desktop video SDK, so if you have any of our other capture cards, then this new model will just work. This is because each of the 4 channels looks like a completely separate DeckLink SDI capture and playback card. This means you can choose what kinds of systems you build by what card you install. If you need a single capture playback channel, then just install the DeckLink SDI card. However, if you need more channels, then plugging in the new DeckLink Duo 2 looks the same as 4 separate DeckLink SDI cards. That saves a lot of space, because all those extra DeckLink SDI cards are really all on a single plug-in board. It's the same with the DeckLink Quad 2. It's just like plugging in 8 separate DeckLink SDI cards, but all on the same single plug-in board. This means you can develop and test one build of your software, but deploy as many channels as you need on a single system. We hope the new DeckLink Duo 2 can help you build some amazing systems for your facility. Thanks for watching.